How to sign out of a Google account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnit, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of a Google account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. If you want to sign out of one particular account, then what you can do is simply add another account and switch in between your accounts. However, if you want to sign it out completely, then the only way to do so is to remove the account from your device. Now, how you can do so? Simply open up your settings on your device, then scroll down and you shall see the option that says accounts and backup. Not Google, but accounts and backup. Tap on it and then tap on manage accounts option, then select the Google account that you wish to sign out, then tap on remove account and it will be removed and you will be signed out of your Google account on every single apps or services that you are logged in on this device. So this is how you can sign out of a Google account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.